Hello everyone, I'm Narayan and I'm pursuing BA LLB from UPES and I'm in my fourth year. The topic for today's video is the basics of Copyright Act. The per, Before beginning this video, I like to say that that this video does not solicit any type of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. Now let's begin. In this video, first of all, whenever we talk about the Copyright Act, there are certain terminologies with which we should be aware of. We should know what does those terminologies means. Like, for example, adaptation means in relation to a dramatic work, the conversion of the work into a non-dramatic work. It can also mean a literary work or an artistic work which are being converted into a dramatic work by way of performance in public or otherwise. It can also mean a literary or dramatic work, any abridgment of the work or any version of the work in which the story or action is conveyed wholly or mainly by means of pictures in a form suitable for reproduction in a book or in a newspaper, magazine, or similar periodical. It can also mean in relation to a musical work, any arrangement or transcript of the work. Adaptation can also refer to a relation to any work, any use of any such work involving its arrangement or alteration. All right. Now, what do we mean by artistic work? So, any painting or a sculpture or a drawing, here drawing can include a diagram, map, chart, or plan, or an engraving or a photograph. Whether or not any such work possess artistic quality, they can all be included in the artistic work. Now, a work of art, architecture can also be said to be an artistic work, or any other work of artistic craftsmanship can also refer to be an artistic work. The Act also gives the meaning of the term author. It says that author means in relation to a literary or dramatic work, the author of the work. It also refers to in relation to a musical work, the composer, and it also refers to um, author also in relation to an artistic work refers to other than a photographer, the artist. And when we talk in relation to the photograph, then the person taking the photograph. And when we talk in the context of cinematograph, film or sound recording, then the producer. And in relation to any literary dramatic, musical, or artistic work which is computer generated, the person who causes the work to be created can be referred to as author. Now, what does broadcast means? So, broadcast means communication to the public by any means of wireless diffusion, whether in any one or more of the forms of sign, sound, or visual images. Broadcast can also mean communication to the public by wire and includes a rebroadcast. Now, broadcast can also mean communication to the public by calendar year means the year commencing on the first day of January. Also, cinematograph film means any work of visual recording on any medium produced through a process from which a moving image may be produced by any means and includes a sound recording accompanying such visual recording, and cinematograph shall be construed as including any work produced by any process analogous to cinematography, including video films. Now, communication to the public means making any work available for being seen or heard or otherwise enjoyed by the public directly or by any means of display or diffusion other than by issuing copies of such work, regardless of whether any member of the public actually sees, hears, or otherwise enjoys the work so made available. Now, what do we mean by publication? So, the publication means making a work available to the public by issue of copies or by communicating the work to the public. When work is not deemed to be published or performed in public, then in that case, except in relation to infringement of copyright, a work shall not be deemed to be published or performed in public if published or performed in public without the license of the owner of the copyright. Now, when the work is deemed to be first published in India, so for the purpose of the Copyright Act, a work published in India shall be deemed to be first published in India, that notwithstanding that it has been published simultaneously in some other country, unless such other country provides a shorter term copyright for such work, and a work shall be deemed to be published simultaneously in India and in another country, uh, unless such other country provides a shorter term of copyright for such work. And a work shall be deemed to be published simultaneously in India and in another country does not exceed 30 days or such other period as the central government may in relation to any specified country determine. Thank you very much. And in this video, we learned about the basics of the Copyright Act. Thank you.